Hi there. In this screencast, we're going to write the draw stickman method. So we're going to call this method every single time the user guesses uh, a wrong answer, right? So that's when we need to progressively draw the scaffold and the stickman. So as you may hopefully recall from my earlier screencast, we have this variable called stickman state. It's an int variable that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8, or I think it's going to go up to 9 or 10. So this is a void method, meaning it's a method that just does something. It doesn't return any value. It simply draws the stickman in its appropriate state based on how the game is. So down here on line 124, I have private void draw stickman state, draw stickman, open close parenthesis. All right, then I have an if statement that checks to see what the value of the stickman state variable is. And every time it has gone up by 1, I draw the next portion of the scaffold and the stickman. So it starts off at 0, remember, when the game starts, when we do reset game. Then, as they guess wrong answers every time they, or wrong letters, every time they guess a wrong letter, I increase the value of stickman state, and then I call this method. So that means I really want a big if, else if, else if, else if statement, where if it's 1, I draw the base. If it's 2, then I draw the pole. If it's 3, I draw the beam. If it's 4, the rope. If 5, the head. 6, the body, and so on. All the way down to if it being 10, I draw the right leg. All right, so that's all this method does. It sets the visible property of the picture box that makes up that portion of the stickman and scaffold visible. So as you recall, in a Windows format, once you make something visible, it stays visible unless you make it not be visible. So, and to make something visible, we make the visible property of the picture box be true. So it's pretty straightforward. That's what draw stickman is, the draw stickman method is.